We're proud that last year not a single customer rejected a single part. And we have a 100% on-time delivery rating. And it's all because we have great employees and repeatable machines. Hi, I'm Ed from the Nazareth Industrial Corporation.
Nazareth Industrial Corporation excels in manufacturing high-quality, close-tolerance injection molded plastics for over 30 years.
I'm going to help you by making the part in the most efficient way.
We make plastic parts from low volumes to production runs on our 15 molding machines,
Ranging from 35 ton to 200 ton.
Our 99.45% customer satisfaction rate is due to the fact that we use automation.
All 15 of our machines have automation, ranging from sprue pickers to multi-axis linear robots.
We also perform DFM with our skilled engineering department.
ABS, polypropylene, all engineering grade materials, commodity grade plastics.
With complete in-house tooling and mold maintenance and repair.
Electric machines are much more efficient. You don't have hydraulic oil that can risk contamination. We have great repeatability because of the electric machines. They're incredibly accurate, along with the automation and our great employees. We make clear sight glasses like this that have to be dried a certain way. The material gets dried a certain way. The material has an amount of water in it automatically. You have to dry that and get the relative humidity low enough to be able to injection mold the part without getting bubbles. We have high quality Matsui dryers to do this.
Need value-added secondary assembly or ultrasonic welding? We can help.
That's a secondary operation. We mold this part and then we assemble the rest of this together. It's a brush block for a DC motor.
Our long-standing customers are world-class manufacturers in the automotive, computer, medical, and precision instrument industries.
What makes this unique is it has cams in it that open to allow the part to be ejected. Some threaded parts are that way. It could be the draft and it could be the gears that are on here. If you have threads will do the same thing, depending on the design of the tool, design of the part. You may have a stripper plate, you may have ejector pins. There's different ways to get the parts off of the tool.
Most of our customers have been with us for 15 to 25 years.
We are 100% made in USA. We ship domestically and internationally all over the world. And because of our procedures and our equipment, we're able to compete with overseas molders. Yeah, we didn't have a single customer reject a part last year.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.